Good morning, one and all present over here. Today we are going to present you a skit on the Great Uprising of 1857. So let's begin and go in the past to see what happened exactly. See.
Hello friends, I'm really frustrated.
यस माई फ्रेंड, इन अंग्रेजों ने तो हमें परेशान कर दिया है. इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम वी आर जस्ट pigs.
Not even fed properly. Yesterday night they just gave us one roti with some dal.
We are never promoted in jobs and even don't get much money from our jobs too.
Won't even get our phata.
What is the additional charges given to the sepoys for fighting wars?
I think that the British wants a religion to wind up. They want us to cross the sea and this means the immediate lose of our religion.
हाँ भाई तुम सही हो. इन्होंने नए नए कानून बना दिए हैं. अब लगता है कि हमें कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए.
In March 1857, a young Indian sepoy named Mangal Pandey rose his voice and refused to use the Enfield rifle. Now let's see what happened exactly.
We cannot use the Enfield rifle. It is against our religion. The greased paper on the cartridge contains beef and pork fat. Yuck! How can we use that?
Hey you, how dare you say that? You will have to use Enfield rifle.
तेरी इतनी हिम्मत, बहुत सह लिया. अब तुझे मौत के कुएं में ढकेलना पड़ेगा.
One of the British officers saw him killing Lieutenant.
याद रखना, मेरी कुर्बानी व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगी. जो आग की चिंगारी मैंने आज जलाई है, वह आसानी से बुझने वाली नहीं. हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद.
Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged. Raja Gangadhar Rao, the husband of Rani Lakshmi Bai, died. Jhansi was under doctoring of lapse. Rani Lakshmi Bai pleaded to the British officers to accept their adopted son to hire of her husband. The company refused this and commanded officer Yush Rose to go and capture Jhansi. But Rani Lakshmi Bai refused to give the state without a fight. She fought. Bhadra Kumari Chauhan wrote a beautiful poem. I'll surely share some lines with you all. बुंदेले हर बालों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Was annexed for a foolish reason of misgovernance. The deposed king of Wazir Ali Shah. Many troops were sad about this, as most of the sepoys were from Awadh. Begum Hazrat Mahal was queen of Wazir Ali Shah. With the help of the sepoys, she attacked the British and proclaimed her son as the new Nawab. Let's see a glimpse of it too.
Enough is enough. We cannot accept the charge of a British anymore. We should have to do something simple.
If you accept my advice, we can surely attack British and we can declare Virjis Qadar, your son, as the Emperor of Awadh.
But isn't it risky? Yes, my son, I will surely attack.
Hey, you all peasants, you have not paid your land revenue. Pay it or else give your land.
Sir, we don't have any yield. This year it didn't rain much and no crops could be cultivated.
We need revenue anyway.
But the new revenue demand is too high.
Give us revenue anyway.
दोस्त, ये लोग तो हमारे धर्म को मिट्टी में मिला देंगे।
सच में इन लोगों ने ऐसे कानून बनाए कि हमारे धर्म में दरार आ गई।
इन लोगों ने कहा है कि जो लोग क्रिश्चियन धर्म में बदल जाएंगे उन्हें अपने पूर्वजों की जमीन मिलेगी। लालची लोग इसमें जरूर फंसेंगे।
इन्होंने क्रिश्चियन मिशनरीज भी बना दिए हैं। अब ये लोग हिंदू और मुस्लिम को छोड़ के क्रिश्चियन धर्म में जा रहे हैं।
We had already seen that Mangal Pandey fired on Lieutenant Bogg. He was executed. Then again on 9th May 1857, sepoys of cavalry regiment were court-martialed for refusing to use the Enfield rifle and were sentenced to 10 years of imprisonment. That made the spark ignite for the great uprising. On 10th May, the sepoys broke out into open rebellion. They released the sepoys and started the rebellion. Let's see what happened.
क्लब जिंदाबाद, अंग्रेजों तुम्हारी अब खैर नहीं।
Yes, we have suffered a lot. Now it's time to retreat.
Need some support. Let us march to Delhi. We will surely get some help from there.
Come on, sepoys. What happened, sepoys? Why are you here? How can I help you?
We just want to lead our rebellion towards the British.
No way! How can I help you? I am already in my old age. Then how can I lead the battle? You will have to, sir. Many Indian fighters have given their life for this. But...
Sir, please sir.
Okay, but... Okay, I will lead the battle.
Thank you sir.
Declared, Bahadur Shah Zafar is the new Emperor of India. Don't let any Angrez go.
Hey, go away! Go away or I will shoot you!
Let us go. We will have to restore Delhi and cause the uprising from its roots. Capture Bahadur Shah Zafar and send him to the Myanmar.
At last the uprising.
Suppression of the uprising. The British took immediate steps to suppress the uprising with all their might. The British passed a series of new laws and reinforcements were brought in from England to quell the insurgency. In September 1857, the British troops, led by Sir John Nicholson, succeeded in restoring Delhi. Bahadur Shah Zafar was taken as a prisoner. His two sons were killed and he himself was tried in court and exiled to Rangoon, present-day Myanmar, where he died in November 1862. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi died in the battlefield while fighting heroically, and Jhansi was captured under the leadership of Sir Hargros. Tatya Tope managed to escape and continue to fight with guerrilla warfare.
The British Parliament passed a new act in 1858 and transferred the powers of the East India Company to the British Crown in order to assure a more responsible management of Indian affairs. Second, all ruling chiefs of the country were assured that their territory would never be annexed in the future. Third, it was decided that the proportion of Indian soldiers in the army would be reduced and the number of European soldiers would be increased. It was also decided that instead of recruiting soldiers from Awadh, Bihar, Central India and South India, more soldiers would be recruited among the Gurkhas, Sikhs and Pathans. The land and property of Muslims was confiscated on a large scale. The British believed that they were responsible for the rebellion in a big way. The British decided to respect the customary religious and social practices of the people in India. Policies were made to protect landlords and zamindars and gave them security of rights over their lands. Thus, a new phase of history began after 1857.
Thank you for giving a valuable time. Have a great day.